to buy options via TD Ameritrade. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is the gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump into it. So some people may ask me, Prince, you made this video before, but I kind of keep these videos kind of relevant, up to date, because I know the platform changes a little. And, some people are new to the channel. They may not see these videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy an option with TD Ameritrade. I just did a video probably about 2-3 videos ago telling you how to upgrade your options capability in your account. So please refer back to that because you do have to upgrade your options capability. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do when you log in, you're going to pick whatever stock you're looking for. Let's say here we have Apple, but you can type in whatever stock you're looking up. Right? Once you go here, you're going to come here to options chain. Once you get here to your options chain, this is right here. This is your calls and your puts, right? So right here's your expiration date. If you're looking for something that expires May 8th, May 15th, whatever the case may be, let's say you're looking at a call or a put that expires May 22nd. You click right there. Boom. You click on it. When you click on it, on the left-hand side is your call options. On the right-hand side are your put options. So these are your calls. These are your puts. The yellow area is considered these is the in the money options. In the money. The white is out of the money. So for a call option, right now, Apple is $286. This is a call. $287 is in the money. So for prime example, let's say if you want the right, so for $290, you're asking for the right to be able to buy Apple stock for $290 until May 22nd. So if you purchase this, you have the right to be able to buy Apple stock for $290 all the way to May 22nd, right? Now, with that being said, now that you have the right to do that, doesn't mean you have to do it. So if you want to buy this particular call, the bid is what people are bidding on it, right? What people are trying to sell it, buy it for. People are trying to buy it for $10.05. The people are asking $10.25. The last trade, the last one that sold was $9.80 per share. So you got to do 9 times 980 times 100. Make sure you remember that. And right now the call options are going down due to, Apple is down like, almost 2% right now. The volume is how many is going back and forth. Open interest, opt-in, it's open interest, how many people are interested. So if you want to do this one, so if you want to buy, you want to buy $290, you want to be able to buy Apple for $290 by May 22nd, you're going to click on it. Right? Once you click on it, it's going to tell you to bid and ask, and if you want to buy it, if you want to sell it, whatever you want to do. So you want to buy it. If you're going to hit buy, then down here at the bottom, it's going to ask you what you want to do. If you're buying an option, you got to click on buy open. How many contracts you want? One. So when it tells you it's $10, so you got to do $10 times 100. That's how much it's going to cost. So let's say if you want one, that's the stock option you wanted. Put it at market to get the best market price. You're going to hit review order. It's going to tell you right here to buy this contract is going to cost $1,000.60. It's a 65-cent fee, and boom, you hit play order, and right there you just bought a call to be able to buy Apple stock at $290 all the way until May 22nd. All right. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out. Thank you.